Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐶 here with another reaction. And today we hearing another one. Today we hearing OFB Kush featuring Kash, One7, Double L's Bully, song called Bully. OFB, big up on yourself. Bro, big up yourself. Heady, big up yourself. The whole of OFB, big up on yourself. So we're gonna drop that one here and see what the G them a say. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Let's go.
Shout my booty to
A movie by J.TV.
J.TV, big up. What that? What was that? Guys, what is this? What is this I'm looking at? This other thing where we shoot off the clear for the shotgun or something? Is this it? I guess we're gonna find out. I'm pretty sure it's it. Yeah, man, see some shoot.
Gang. If I'm in a ride in North, it's blacked out, going on a glide for courts. I don't need them cyber thoughts, I live real life outside, of course. Slide round with a mash the fours, then slide on a gal and put her on a force. I whip that send out of course.
Bully! Do come!
Gang. If I'm in a ride in North, it's blacked out, going on a glide for courts. I don't need them cyber thoughts, I live real life outside, of course. Slide round with a mash the fours, then slide on a gal and put her on a force.
Yeah.
I whip that send out of course. Outside ain't really indoors.
If in the back of a 2 or more, our ding don't whip as I get away. This GRM beats, not the headphones here, a loud bang if I sat this pay. I run, don't get tan, or you gonna need a doctor like Jay. Run to one, come all like traffic, but still match fit when it's time to play.
You're free to boy, Kash straight back to the.
Shout my booty to
Ready? Again.
Gang. If I'm in a ride in North, it's blacked out, going on a glide for courts. I don't need them cyber thoughts, I live real life outside, of course.
Yeah.
Slide round with a mash the fours, then slide on a gal and put her on a force. I whip that send out of course. Outside ain't really indoors.
If in the back of a 2 or more, our ding don't whip as I get away. This GRM beats, not the headphones here, a loud bang if I sat this pay. I run, don't get tan, or you gonna need a doctor like Jay. Run to one, come all like traffic, but still match fit when it's time to play.
You're free to boy, Kash straight back to the cash, but KMT, 3 step on the gas. One goes in and then one comes out, just like my Rambo when I'm getting his back. The first one I beat went over his beam, got gate up high with a rusty. We don't.
So the first one them beat went over and beam, so I forgot adjust himself. Settle down. Breathe. And clap it. Bumbo clap. What did it? Boy, drop.
Free the boy, Kash straight back to the cash, but KMT, 3 step on the gas. One goes in and then one comes out, just like my Rambo when I'm getting his back. The first one I beat went over his beam, got gate up high with a rusty. We don't really talk too much, we just bark 2 slugs, make your dog do stunts.
Hey!
The feds had me in the system, not solar, Yoza. Glad that they let me freestyle ride that clean, go do it for Boga. I was raised on board at farm blocks with my brothers, Jonas. Just got started, it's far from over, this revolver's a problem solver. Don't get hit, pray to Jehovah.
Yo, this is the thing with OFB. There's a lot of rappers in there, and every rapper talented. There's a lot of rappers in there, and every rapper talented, brother. Now them own right, every rapper's do them thing. Big up OFB, yo. Yeah, man.
I don't get seen by whip over, this revolver's a problem solver. Don't get hit, pray to Jehovah. I don't get seen by witness. I've been range in the stolen rover. Creep up close if you're not from distance. Put him to sleep, no lullaby. Gon' need an alibi if the dates get inkling.
Permanent nap, picket. Put it to sleep, permanent nap, dog. But I pray say him not get seen by no witness. Him a pray to Jehovah too.
Don't get hit, pray to Jehovah. I don't get seen by witness. I've been from range in the stolen rover. Creep up close if you're not from distance. Put him to sleep, no lullaby. Gon' need an alibi if the dates get inkling. And ain't no point trying to play hero. You ain't gonna die safe like this.
Smoke fags, no blem, I can never allow them fat corn for a up boyfriend. Heads up, who's next? Should of them on deck when you're out, bitch, protect your chest. High chest can't settle for less. I pray late night, so I know I'm blessed. I'll do it for myself, I'll do it to impress. They do it for the net and they hop in it round and bully. I've slid round there like 100 times in the back, just pull it.
Yo, watch your style, yeah, man.
Can't settle for less. I pray late night, so I know I'm blessed. I do it for myself, I do it to impress. They do it for the net and they hop in. Get round and bully. I've slid round there like 100 of times in the back, just pull it. Me and my guys, my circle's tight, no words when they give man bullet. I slide up block, leaf fill to the top, heading out on a drop. Can't forget all my guys inside, the times you come, the clock won't stop.
Motor bro told me the chill is real, but I'm out on a up block banging off stool. Them niggas get touched, but they don't reveal. It's calm ready, know what we're on in the field. Are you ill? One drills, both pinning Rambos, Jack and Drill. More time is the whack, got the angle still down. Rip off your skin like a mango still. I'm in the night like the 144, put the pump in a ride, I ain't filling up petrol. Tap that bitch in the back.
Put the pump in the ride, I ain't filling up petrol. You get that, dog? It's simple, but it's effective. Wanna get that? The man said, I'm gonna put the pump in the ride. But him not fill up petrol. The reason why I'm saying not fill up petrol because you might get it mistaken and think so when they pull up at the gas station and jump out of the car and put the petrol pump in the car. No. The man put the pump in the shotty in the inside of the car and travel with it on the gravel with it. Bumbo clot. Boy, Mara fly gone with it. Locks, man. Bars. Yo.
Banging off stool, them niggas get touched, but they don't reveal. It's calm ready, know what we're on in the field. Are you ill? One drills, both pinning Rambos, Jack and Drill. More time is the whack, got the angle still down. Rip off your skin like a mango still. I'm in the night like the 144, put the pump in a ride, I ain't filling up petrol. Tap that bitch in the back of the rental. End of my crib, baby, you gotta be special. But you're not, so it's long. Sorry, not sorry.
What's I'm gonna tap it in the back of the rental? She not qualify for each time yard. She not qualify.
Like a mango still. I'm in the night like the 144, put the pump in a ride, I ain't filling up petrol. Tap that bitch in the back of the rental. End of my crib, baby, you gotta be special. But you're not, so it's long. Sorry, not sorry, don't mean to offend you. Sun's out, guns out, Hitman's friend too. It's not only cars, but we circle on heads.
Sorry, not sorry when a youth gets hit. Aye, Kush, skin.
Gotta make cash and buy some sticks, circle the up block, turn my L's into wins.
Before I ride out, go talk on the Kush. Tell a boy sign out, put cash on his hood. Splat that, whack that.
Right in his slapback.
Gang jump out and the whole big shook.
Let me answer the question everybody is asking. Why am I just like a police? My reaction, police. Anything but too bad, the person get arrested or the group get arrested. The FP, me arrest you now. Me arrest you now and charge you now under being too bumbuckler bad act 2022. Me arrest you now. Go in a police car. I drive go down a station. We go put a bumbuckler outside for FB. We don't fear in the dog. We never fear in the. The whole on the body now. FB, the whole on the body now. FB, hear me I say. I need to forward it in one of the music video them, you know. I don't care if I head one, if I Abra, if I Kush, if I double S, and I need to forward in a one, if I band okay, I need to forward in a one of the music video. You see me? Yeah. See me Instagram, yeah. See it, yeah? See me Instagram, yeah? DM me. If you forward in a one on the music video. Just say the word. Music police is gonna be there. Don't worry about it. I will be there. I will be there. Huh? So this one I'm gonna leave the one, guys. If you enjoy the one, please leave a like on the one, yeah. Please subscribe around there if you new and I see in the next one. OFB. Alright. Outside.